Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Crew, and I'm back with another video. It's been a minute, really. It's been a long minute. I've been meaning to get on the tube for a bit, but it's been a very busy period for me. A couple of months ago, I went on tour with a superstar DJ, and we did a documentary. And immediately after that, I had another big marketing video for my local university. So yeah, it's been that sort of period for me. So yeah, I'm back again, and hopefully we can keep it going like we did before. I've bought a new camera. So I have a Sony FX3, and as you probably already know, it's not the best for photography. Even though it takes amazing pictures, the fact that it has just 12 megapixels is a bit of a problem sometimes when you're talking about corporate shoots and headshots and professional sort of settings, or in situations where there's a chance they might want to blow the pictures up onto like a big frame and that. So yeah, I went for the Sony A7R II. I'm sure you're wondering why I've decided to go for the A7R II when there's the A7R3 and there's the A7R4, there's the A7R5, and there's the A7 IV, which is one of the most popular full frame camera at the moment. I'll tell you why. High resolution photos, and that's why I went for the A7R II, right? And you're thinking, why not the A7R3? Well, the A7R3 is £2,199, brand new, and on the used market is £1,600. The A7R4 is £2,999, which is £3,000, and on the used market is £1,979. Now, the A7R5, which is the superstar or the top range camera, it starts at £3,699, and if you want to get the used version, you're looking at £3,200. Guess how much I bought the A7R II for? I bought it for £800 used. So yeah, for £800, I'll tell you what you get. So you get 42 megapixel full frame BSI CMOS sensor, ISO range of 100 to 256,000. You get 5-axis image stabilization, and you get a tilting screen like an A7 III, and you can record up to 4K 30 frames per second. So I think this is an amazing buy. So yeah, the A7R II, I'm loving it already. I put a few photos up that I've taken with it. Now, the reason why I didn't go for the A7 IV is I rented an A7 IV to use as the B cam to my Sony FX3. I wanted us to use it for a few shots, especially I had the 16-35mm lens on it, and I wanted us to use it for like some of the wide shots and like the extra B-roll shots that we'll need for the project. And boy, did I get it all wrong. After like 2 to 3 minutes of recording, the camera shut down because it was overheating. And then we waited like another couple of, like, I'll say 10 minutes for it to cool down. Turn it back on, another 3 minutes, it's gone again. I tried to mess about with trying to drop the codec I'm recording in to sort of allow for a bit of leeway so we can actually get to use the camera. No, nothing worked. After like trying for a bit, my assistant just gave up, and she was like, you know what, F it, let's just forget about this. And then she just kind of helped with composition and that on the main camera. So yeah, I've got mixed feelings about the A7 IV. On paper, it seems to be one of the most amazing hybrid camera, like the A7 III was. I just find in a situation where you need something reliable, it just didn't work out. So if I want to go for the A795, I've been looking at spending £3,200. So what I did was the leftover money from that I put into the 135G master lens, the 1.8 lens, and trust me when I say this, that lens is just class. The lens is out of this world. The bokeh is crazy. Everything is just like creamy and buttery in the background. It's really sharp as well, all over the place. I've used it at 1.8 for the most part. It's sharp wherever you put it. And now I see why G Master lenses are cool. G Master lenses. It's heavy. I like it. And it's class. And also, yeah, so I talked about the lens, I talked about the camera. I wanted to talk about the takeaway from my biggest project so far. The first thing is I need to get off EPIDEMIC sound. Until now, I've always found EPIDEMIC sound to be the best music platform for creatives like myself, one-man bands and run and gun shooters and that. However, I decided that I wanted to get the commercial license because of the licensing for the music, and it was showing $24.99. I was like, oh, okay, you pay $24.99, but if you wanted to go for a monthly, it's $59.99, which is a lot of money. However, I thought, yeah, we'll give it a go. And then when you get checkout, it jumps to $79.99 a month. Like, that is highway robbery. And I couldn't understand it, but I'm guessing it's that you pay VAT on top of that. But like, this is an absolute joke. Like, from expecting to pay $24.99 to now paying $79.99. Come on, it's a joke. So that made me think, you know what, maybe this is not the right place to be. So I looked around. I was listening to Peter McKinnon the other day, and it was talking about Artlist, and I've gone on Artlist, and I see that their commercial plan, which is just, it's about the same thing you get. Or I don't know, I've not tried the music on Artlist, but it seems like the commercial license is only $13.99. And I'm guessing if you put VAT on that, that takes you to about maybe like $24.99. Like, that is baffling. So yeah, the first thing I'm going to do once this project is done is to unsubscribe from EPIDEMIC Sound and find other greener pastures. And I've got my eyes set on Artlist now. I'll research and see what it's like, and you know, £79.99 a month. I don't even pay that for anything. But again, it's a learning curve. It's just the beginning. And yeah, hope you're going to hang around for the rest of it. I want to say thank you to the people that have been asking questions on my channel. I'm grateful that I've been able to help in my own little way. I get a lot of questions on my DJI Raven Eye connection, and Atmos Ninja V as well with the FX3, because I struggle with that. But yeah, people are asking questions about that, and I'm grateful that you have come to watch the videos. And please like the videos, share with other people that might want to, you know, that need the knowledge as well. And please subscribe and come back, you know, turn the notification bells on so that you can get a notification when I do upload my videos. I'm thinking about different ways of running this channel. So if you've got anything that you're struggling with that I can help with, put that in the comments, and yeah, let me know. Thanks for watching. Like I said, like, share, subscribe with everyone you can. It's your boy Crew, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.